Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your Facebook password on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes and also don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. Open the Facebook application. Then, when you get to the Facebook homepage, you need to go to the menu section in the bottom right corner. And here, in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. Next, you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, select Password and Security. Change password and your Facebook page. Now, you will be able to change your password if you remember it. Then you will need to maintain your old password. And then you will need to keep a new password that you come up with. Also, once again, you will need to keep the new password to confirm it. But if for some reason you don't remember your Facebook password, then you'll need to click here. Forgot your password. And this will take you to a page where you will be asked to send a special code either to your email address, or by text message, or by WhatsApp. Some way you choose the method that's convenient for you. And then you will immediately receive a SMS message, let's say, or an email with this password. You enter this 6-digit password, and then you can enter a new password from Facebook, thus changing it. Friends, this is the way you can change your Facebook password on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.